Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something we all want more of: money in our pockets. Saving can feel tough, but I'm going to show you 3 super simple steps to make it easy. Ready? Let's get started. First up, you need to understand where your money is actually going. It sounds basic, but most of us don't really know. For just 1 week, track every single penny you spend. Use a notebook or a simple app on your phone. That daily coffee, the subscription you forgot about, it all adds up. This isn't about judging yourself, it's about getting the facts. Knowledge is power. Step 2 is making a budget. Now that you know your spending habits, you can create a realistic plan. A great starting point is the 50-30-20ths rule. That means 50% of your income goes to needs like rent and groceries, 30% to wants like dining out or hobbies, and the most important part, 20% goes directly into savings. You can adjust these percentages to fit your life, but having a plan is key. Finally, step 3 is the secret weapon: automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday. Even if you start with just $20, the point is to make saving happen without thinking about it. Treat it like any other bill. Before you know it, you'll have a growing nest egg for your future goals. Another helpful tip is cutting small, unnecessary expenses. Many people think saving money means big sacrifices, but this is not true. Simple changes can make a big difference. Making coffee at home instead of buying it outside, cooking meals instead of ordering food every day, using public transportation instead of expensive taxis, and canceling subscriptions you do not use are all ways to save money. These small actions save money without making your life hard. It is also important to avoid unnecessary debt. Some debt is necessary, such as a home loan or education loan. But many people borrow money for things they do not really need. Paying high interest on loans or credit cards can take a large part of your income. If you avoid extra debt, saving money becomes much easier. Another helpful idea is setting small goals. Instead of trying to save a large amount in 1 month, start with small goals such as saving $50 or $100. When you reach these small goals, you feel motivated. Small wins create habits, and habits last a long time. Over time, small monthly savings can become a large sum that can be used for emergencies, investments, or big purchases. Learning about money is very useful. The more you understand about finances, the easier it becomes to save. Many people make mistakes because they do not know simple ideas such as interest, budgeting, and smart spending. By learning a little bit every day, you can make better decisions and save more money without stress. It is also helpful to review your money every month. Look at what you spent, what you saved, and what you can improve. This review helps you find mistakes, fix them, and improve your habits. You can also celebrate small successes such as saving more than last month. Celebrating small wins encourages you to continue saving. Patience is very important in saving money. Saving is not a race, it is a journey. Even if you start with a very small amount, over time it can grow. Consistency is more important than saving a large amount only once. Every month, a little money saved is better than nothing. Finally, saving money is not only about having more money, it is also about feeling safe and reducing stress. When you know that you are saving and planning well, life becomes easier. You can handle emergencies, achieve your goals, and enjoy life without worrying too much about money. Thank you for watching Global Finance Watch. If you want to learn more simple and helpful tips about money, saving, and investing, follow the channel for more videos like this.